Hello good people and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to round off numbers in Excel. So we'll go through 5 typical examples of rounding off situations in Excel. And in the first one, we are to round 37.8 to the nearest multiple of 5. To do this, we are going to use Excel's mRound. mRound returns a number rounded to the desired multiple, in this case 5. It requires a number, so I select the number and put in the multiple, which is 5. So here I get 40 because this is the closest to this number that is divisible by 5. Very useful when you are dealing with situations where you don't want a remainder and all that. So we go to the second situation, 197.65. Here I want to round to the nearest or the next 100, which in this case is 200. To do this, I'm going to use Excel's round. Round function requires a number. Now, in providing a number of digits, you need to observe that the split is on the dot. To the right of the dot are the decimal places, and before the dot is the whole number or the integer. So in this case, if you want to round to the next 100, the rounding happens in the whole number integer area, and that is to the left of the dot. So we are rounding 2 numbers to the left of the dot, so this will be minus 2. So when I do this, I get 200. Next example, we want to round this to 2 decimal places. So here I select the number again, but here I'm rounding to the decimal area. So whatever number I add here should be a positive number. 2 decimal place will be 2, giving me 47. But because the third one is more than 5, I'll get 8. So I'll close this and I get 5.48. In this example, I want to extract only the integer and leave out the decimals. So to do this, again, I'll use the round function, select the number, and because I am exactly on the dot, I'm just going to put in 0, and this knocks off the decimals and gives me only the whole number. Finally, if you're in a situation where you want only the decimals and not the whole number or integer, you can use Excel's mod function. So mod returns a remainder after a number is divided by a divisor. So bottom line, we are dividing this number I have selected by 1. Whatever is left is the decimal. So 0.47896. So please practice these and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more videos, you can send ad to this number. We'll add you to our WhatsApp broadcast list. We send videos directly on Mondays and Fridays. You can visit our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity, for more videos. Please click subscribe for notification of new videos or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.